NLC Lignite Corporation examination. Today it is 17th of November. Today they have an exam for management trainee, that is graduate engineer trainee GET examination, conducted by Lignite Corporation on a bulk scale. So the exam analysis, let's see in this video. As you are all aware, there are 120 questions and the technical portion has 80 questions and non-tech has 40 questions, but first we'll focus on non-technical portion and we'll come back to technical. For the classification for quantitative aptitude were 10 questions, a logical reasoning the questions asked were 10 questions, and for general awareness the questions asked were 5 questions, and for data interpretation there were 10 questions, and for general English there were 5 questions. So this is what the requisite classification of questions. But quantitative aptitude is a bit lengthy, and the questions asked from quantitative aptitude are from one question is from Bodmer's rule, a basic simplification, and one question is on chain rule, one question is on partnership, one question is on profit and loss, one question is on simple interest. So all classification, and also some of the basic questions were asked from quantitative aptitude. It is a bit lengthy, and for logical reasoning there were very lengthy questions asked. So this is what you can see. There is one direction question, and as you can see, this is a box puzzle. This is a kind of box puzzle asked in the logical reasoning, and also one question is based on triangle based question, means a kind of syllogism mix and triangle based question, as we have see most of the questions from SSC pattern. And one question is based on the seating arrangement, that is a person so seated in top to bottom, and you need to choose how many persons are seated in between. This is kind of a bank famous question, bank level aptitude question. So practice those questions for the next slots, those who are this is what the reasoning is all about. The first question is based on direction, and the second question is based on the blood relation question, very famous question, we are all very aware. Just you practice it, you will get to know that questions. And the rest of the questions, this is kind of box puzzle. I was highlighting this one because this is a very unique kind of question, so please practice this. And one question is based on the jumping series, I mean to say is number series jumping series. So it is kind of a plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 like that, so jumping series. And the rest question is on seating arrangement and syllogism versus you need to pick out odd one out. These kind of questions were asked in the reasoning section. And for general awareness, the questions were asked from the 2019 current affairs, last 6 months, means from March, February and January of 2020 and December. That kind of questions were asked from the earlier of March. So if you have time, please do focus on that. And DI was a very lengthy question paper, and DI is not that kind of predictable. It is very lengthy paper, and famous questions were percentage increase, percentage decrease from the previous month, from the previous year. These kind of questions were asked. Approximately 4 questions are on the same pattern, but you need to be very quick in calculations, so it is taking much time. And general English, it consists of 5 questions, and from that 2 questions were asked kind of a synonym and antonym, and one question is based on the spelling check which is the correct, and the next question is next 2 questions were based on the error correction in the sentence. If there are no errors, you need to go for no error. This is regarding the 40 questions. And for technical question, most of the question paper were concentrating on only the focus areas, means the core areas of your subject. For electrical, the questions were asked from power systems, some questions were power electronics, electrical machines, measurements and control systems, and also signal systems as well. So in the syllabus, signal systems were not mentioned, but they were asking the focusing on the basic things. So all of you, for those who are preparing for the next session, please do refer all the formulas, all the short notes, and from all the subjects, because it may have an advantage over the other people. and check out the one liners and also some of the important criterias and formulas and short notes as well. So do check out all the basic points from all the subjects. I mean to say is short notes and formula book. Revise one or more times and prepare very well. And please do update anything. If you have any doubts, please comment in this section or comment section. Do share this with your friends. Thank you for joining. Have a great day.